I've never seen you this beautiful, Philip.
Wow, long time since a vlog on this channel. We are here in Cape Town. I am prepared for tonight's Stardust live event, the Black Friday scaling blueprint. If you're not in Stardust, join Stardust. Wow, I really just started this vlog with an ad roll. But yeah, I thought you might want to follow me this week. It's 5 days until Black Friday, so it is a very hectic week, but actually it's pretty calm. We prepared pretty well for this week, so it's not that it's not much to do, but I'm gonna have time to record. I don't have a videographer, I'm broke, so I think it will be fun for you guys to follow along. So I'm not gonna rant on for too long. It's Sunday today, so week doesn't really start. I mean, for some people it does. I'll hop on the live event and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We have a 3-day event for some previous mentorship students, now members, OG members of Stardust. It's gonna be 3 very nice days, and then Thursday for final prep, and then it's Black Friday. So yeah, tag along. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Whew. Dude, I am dying. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's not that early. I went to bed 4:30. That was 3 hours ago. I got in a flow state last night, so I got so much work done. I am practically done with today's work, which means let's start with tomorrow's. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab the antidote for today. Wow, okay, now I can get through the day. I'll have to work through another one of these today, probably. So we're on the way into Watershed, where we have our office for today. We have the mentorship students coming there as well. We'll have a work day slash keynotes from me day type of feeling vibe. Yeah, so let's go. Morning. How are you doing? Doing good, how are you? Well. Thank you. Reaction time.
Ja, det är bra. Det är riktigt bra.
This is an English vlog.
English vlog. This is very good. Unbelievable.
Okay. All right, we've just been at this vineyard. We got the tour, we got the lunch, got the wine tasting. Now we're pretty stressed. I think our driver is here. We're going to play some paddle. Tennis for rich people. Yeah, our Uber is here. The boys are pissing, so let's go. Nick, to me? Yeah. We just lost against the paddle pros. Isaac and Adam, they're sitting over there. Lost against pros.
One-time paddle pro, and never played paddle, only one time. And they beat these guys. They suck.
All right, Wednesday morning. It is Wednesday, my dude. And we have just hiked up. We, as in everyone except Saga, just hiked up Lion's Head. This guy. It was like, it's so hot right now, so it's very hard to push through, but we did. We got up in 42 minutes. My personal record is 28, or if it was 30, something like that. The record of a past mentorship student was 25 minutes and 17 seconds. And I just found out after speaking to someone, Red Bull has races here, going up and down Lion's Head. The record for going up, going around the top, and then going down is 25 minutes. So that's, yeah, we're half paced, the best of the best, so that's good to know. Yeah, now we're the guys coming over for a brunch slash breakfast, and then we're gonna record some content. It's gonna be 10 out of 10 content. It's not windy right now, No, it's not. Probably gonna set up like somewhere here with a mad background, and then record some interviews, record some other videos. It's gonna be Tarantan. We have a 2-team crew with 5 cameras set up coming over, so it's gonna be very nice. And then yeah, we're just gonna chill, work from here. It's 2 days until Black Friday. I forgot to keep you in the timeline. It's Wednesday, as I said, so 2 days it's Black Friday. Store's looking amazing. Yeah, we have some stores past 100,000. I think Sunday was $100,000. Monday was like $95,000, and then yesterday's was $150,000 for one of the stores. One of the stores that's done 400,000 in the last 7 days, aiming for 200,000 on Black Friday, and then we have some other stores that's doing mad numbers right now. So it's very fun to see, as always. And the guys actually were supposed to go home tomorrow, because then they would be home for Black Friday, but they decided to stay here for Black Friday. So what they did was they just extended the trip. Actually, I had to extend the trip for them, and then they rented the house next to us. So this house right here, literally the next house over, I'll be able to stand here. We can look at each other. These guys never leave me. What is going on? Yeah, then we're just gonna scale for Black Friday together. Most likely not together. I'm gonna sit here and they're gonna sit there. They're gonna be together. Then yeah, we might do another paddle match Sunday. I think we're doing a rematch because it just wasn't fair. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so first 2 interviews done. Amazing, insane quality. It really feels like you're in a movie. So I just told them about it, like maybe I should do like a week in the life, maybe a day in the life with you guys just coming along, like, because this is the quality that you guys are gonna have to be used to. Like you saw a few clips. I hope you saw a few clips from the interview. Like you see the insane quality. I should do the vlogs like that. I almost said, if you want that, comment down below. I should definitely do that. So for next vlog, maybe a day in life, a week in life, I'll have someone like that just following me around. That would be insane, so I don't have to just carry this, because this camera, it's not that big. It's not like my FX3, but it's big, it's heavy. So yeah, we got 2 more interviews, so like 2 more hours of content, then recording a separate YouTube video, like 15 minutes more, and then we're good to go. Then we're taking a walk down to Camps Bay Beach for dinner. I'm gonna meet up with another entrepreneur as well. So yeah, let's go. It has been a day. We have not left the house. Like, we've just been at the villa, just working all day. As you saw, they came 2 people to give us a massage, which is nice. We're living good in Cape Town. You can just order a massage to your house. So yeah, we got to relax a bit, and now back to work. Now I'm working from the other vardagsrum. So this is living room number 1, the office, bedrooms, and then we do have living room number 2. So it's living room number 2 time work, just from the laptop, just chill working with the wife. So I'm gonna do that for a while. I am super tired. It's only 8 p.m. So I am gonna stay awake for another 4 hours just to lower the budgets again and prepare for the surf scaling that will commence yet again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Black Friday, so it's gonna be a big day. We'll yet again just sit at villa the entire day, just working non-stop. Sunday we'll have the rematch in paddle. Saturday maybe we'll go to the gun range, shoot some guns or something like that. So yeah, alright, I am gonna grab. And yeah, these guys, they came in with a bunch of Noko. This was 2 days ago, right? No, they came with this yesterday. I have finished. So I've gone through like 10. That cannot be right. No, 9. Wait, 7. 7. It's been 36 hours, gone through 7. So yeah, and that's when you know you're scaling. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. All right, it is 11:41, Black Friday. It's not a hectic day. Like most people think that Black Friday is hectic days. Like we've done the prep work, we've done what we can. Today is just chilling by the pool, surf scaling. That's pretty much everything we can do. Speaking of surf scaling, I'm also implementing a strategy which has like almost 5x my average order value, and I'm scaling at the same time. So more conversions and 5x average order value. If you're a Stardust member and you were at the Sunday's Stardust scaling Black Friday Blueprint friggin' live event, you know exactly what I'm doing. I have taken a screenshot just to give you context, and I have to take screenshots so I can blur certain things here. But so this was yesterday. Let me show you the screen here. This was yesterday's notifications. So you see 1295, 1295, 1990, 1295, all within the same minute. Of course, we are scaling. And then this is today. This is like 5 minutes ago. Look at this. 99.93, 51.90, and all within the minute, of course. I think the average order value was like 14 or 15 pounds to now it's like 80, 75. Very nice. So I will keep scaling. I am tripling budgets right now. Like every 4 hours I am scaling, and I'm tripling budgets on the good ones. Some I do have to scale down, and I do take the L and I do scale them down. So yeah, we'll keep the day going and see what we end at. It's the morning after. It is Saturday, my dudes, and we just had some brunch with the boys that's still here. Yesterday did not go. I can't say it didn't go as planned, but we did not hit the goal that we had. We were aiming for doing 20,000 orders in one day. We did not. There was a lot of things that did not happen that was supposed to happen. We made a big bet on TikTok Shop. I still think it's been good, it's been great, but we made a huge bet. It's not that it didn't work, the product didn't arrive in time. So I'm hyped for the next week, or probably 2 weeks, when the product will arrive, and we will send out the products to all of the creators. Like we've been sending out products to so many people. I don't know how many in total we're gonna have sent out, like over just a few weeks, but like it's gonna be around like 2,000 creators that we're sending out the products to. So we're doing insane amounts of volume, and that was supposed to have happened last week, so that this week would be just go. We had a few insanely huge influencer collabs that was supposed to be live yesterday. Like the biggest ones I've ever done. Like I don't know the total amount of followers of influencers, but it's in the tens of millions of followers, which we would have reached out to, and we would have had the ads to snowball with that too, with whitelisting with these people's pages. You definitely know who these people are, so that's why I'm not going to tell you right now, because then you just know what I'm selling, and we're not quite ready for that yet. But none of this happened, none of this was set up, so we did not hit the goal. It was a good day, it was a great day. Today is looking like a good day as well. But yeah, I think, and like we talked about this during the brunch, during the breakfast as well, like oh, how did it go? And I think people are so used to or just expect me to hit new goals every time there's an opportunity to do so, because like most people, at least in Sweden, have like learned e-com from me, and I've always done the big numbers. And it's not that I didn't do a big number, but when I say I do something, and I'm supposed to do something, I'm going to do something, and I don't do it, like people are not ready for it. But you have to understand, like the amount of failures I have had is most likely more amounts, like I've probably failed more than you've tried, and that's why I am where I am today. So I'll take the L for Black Friday, and again, if you knew the revenue, the profit we did, you wouldn't see it as an L. I see it as an L because I always try to challenge myself, and I'm never satisfied. I'm super happy with how it went, even though it didn't go according to plan. But I would say December 10th to 15th, when customers can order and still get it in time for Christmas, we're gonna do even bigger numbers. And Black Friday have never actually been my peak, never ever. Like usually it's during the summer, because up until last year I did have a anti-mosquito sticker brand for like 5 years before that got sold, and it's in the exit phase. So right now, like of course during summer, that's when I peak. But even now, when I actually have more of a Q4 Christmas gifting product, Black Friday is still not the peak. And we talked about this during the brunch as well. Like one of the guys did like 20K. Like he did his first 10K day a few days ago, and yesterday he did 20K. And he's like, hey, how should I do now? Like, bro, you are most likely going to do a 40K day next week. Like, keep scaling. Don't let Black Friday is over get to you and then you scale down. Like the reason why people, the biggest reason, I've talked about this before as well on my Instagram, the biggest reason people sell the most during Black Friday is because they work as if they're able to. And the reason why it goes down is because they assume they can't keep going. But like the reason my biggest weeks, my biggest periods is not Black Friday, but the periods after, even sometimes stretched to January, is because people give up. But people keep shopping as well. So just keep scaling and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm not gonna try to make it seem like I had an amazing Black Friday and did 500K in a day, which would have been around the 20K orders. We did good. I didn't hit the goal, and I want to be fully transparent with that with you. If you follow me on Instagram, once you see the 20K orders in a day screenshot, that's when you know. And if you don't see it, then you know. But it should be around 2 weeks, so maybe a week after this is posted, should be mid-December, you should see the story come up. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But right now, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm not gonna bring this camera to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna get a haircut. Gonna do just some chill work today. Not gonna go anywhere really. And then tomorrow we're having the rematch in the paddle, and then that's the week done. Maybe I'll take you. I'm going to meet some people at a mastermind next week. You'll see a few clips of that as well. Yeah, another cat wanna freaking join me. All right, and that is a wrap for the week. That has been a hectic week, but we are back to the HQ. We have another week and a half, something like that, here in Cape Town, South Africa, before we head back to Sweden to spend Christmas with the family. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog style. I suck at recording vlogs. Even the mentorship student that was here for a few days, they told me, bro, you suck at recording vlogs. Like, we did so much stuff that I did not record. With that being said, I need a camera guy. I realized this now as well. I've realized this before as well. I do need a camera guy. So for next vlog, it's gonna be high quality. Don't worry. This is just raw, unfiltered, unscripted. Like, it's nothing here. Just unscripted, unfiltered. A week in my life as e-com SaaS founder, billionaire. So I hope you enjoyed still. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.